Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto. So alright, we just arrived here at 500 just now, you know what? We just promote, Western Aceh, or we call that Aceh Tenggara. This is Ketambe, one of we call that urban area here, but I just promote, 5 continents, Europe, Australia, not state or not kingdom, or Switzerland, or Asia. You know what? This is one of the big jungle. We call that jungle of Amazon, Aceh Amazon. Can you imagine that? This is the land of the world. It is one of very tall, number one in the world, without cutting trees. But as human being nowadays, you know what? But Aceh has take care about this jungle. We call it jungle because this is very tall, huge one in Aceh. We call Indonesia, including Malaysia. So if you want to visit to Aceh, don't forget to come first. Sultan Airport or Aceh Tenggara, or we call it Katambe, Kutachane. We have rafting. We prepare for tourist guide. Tourist guide can guide you for to visit or to climbing, the hiking, the mountain. That is very totally very around the world. So if you want to visit Indonesia, don't forget to visit Aceh. Aceh very totally difficult and very totally beautiful, and then very totally view panorama, very totally wonderful, and then very totally very nice view, and then told you about orangutan, elephants, and then beach, and then mountain, very everywhere. The view, this look like Europe. Have you ever visited Europe? Very totally same with Europe, Iceland, Switzerland, Swiss, everywhere. So if you want to visit, please visit Aceh. Don't forget to visit Aceh because Aceh is very number one in Asia. Beautiful panorama, human resources, and then natural resources. Very totally awesome. So you want to see the big huge jungle in Aceh? This is called what? Aceh Amazon. Please, you have to visit that. Please, come on, just follow me, and then you have to visit, and then you have to see what the biggest is a jungle in Indonesia. Alright, we call that Aceh Amazon. You know what? This is a lot of trees, huge trees here. No one can penetrate here. You know what? Because our government has taken care of it. If somebody will cut the trees, it's illegal logging. It will be punished by or arrested by police, or forest police here. Now this is the land of the Kobat. In 2008 time, United States have been funding for take care of the this forest or the jungle, because this is the Kobat land of the world. But without this, a lot of people can take a breath. But they can heal. There'll be a fresh air. Every single day get fresh air, every single morning, every single night, every single weeks. So if you want to visit to Aceh, don't forget to come. Akutachane or Katambe. This Katambe today. We have it rain at 1500 just now. So I just promote 5 continents. About United States or not Kingdom or Australia, Europe, Africa. You got to visit here. Alright. If you want to visit here, don't forget. I want to visit, and then I would like to promote 5 continents, Aceh province. Alright, let's see now. I want to show you because the beautiful panorama, the beautiful river around the world.